So if we dive a little bit deeper into the light codes of cosmic language, when I channel cosmic language, I get packages like downloads of information. It's a whole book in one sentence. So as I said, the Chinese characters is just one sign for each for a word, and cosmic language is a whole book in a small sentence. It's packed with information. And it's these light codes are in sacred geometry, so it's very intelligent information. It contains these ascension codes in sacred geometry, intelligent and energy. So it knows exactly where to go. It knows exactly where to activate certain parts of your DNA. As I said, your DNA might be activated in a certain way, and another person's DNA will be activated in a different way. So it's very different from what you need. When I speak cosmic language, when I channel cosmic language, I get a summary of the translation. Like I get a summary of the meaning of it. I get it translated into Swedish directly because that's my first language. So when I speak, I get like an overview of what I'm talking about. And I do not have the time to write it down during my channelings because then I will get thrown off, but I would like to, write it down in Swedish at the same time, but that's not working. And that's not probably, I'm not supposed to do that. But I get the information, like the overall meaning of it, and I write it down afterwards. And sometimes I stop and translate in the middle of the channeling so that I won't forget if I do a recording or something. But afterwards, I don't remember that much. I do remember some parts of it, just like a brief summary, but not the details at all. So I just get this like a small summary of it. And as I said, we're not supposed to understand in details at all, because it's supposed to bypass the mind and go directly to the heart. So we can, receive the information on a soul level. Otherwise, we would analyze it and just throw it away, and it's like, oh, I don't know what this is, blah blah blah. So because I get these emails sometimes, I don't understand anything. I don't know what you're saying, and that's okay. That's totally fine. Just lay down, open up, receive the codes, and let them activate you. And just let go that you have to understand what it's all about, and trust that you will receive the information. You will receive the codes. You will get activated, and you will get information in the right time when you need it. And sometimes you'll probably not even remember that. Okay, I received these light codes, this cosmic language like 1 year ago, and now something is happening, and you probably don't connecting these two events with each other. So there's a lot of people that have received information when they have listened to it. You may notice it down the road then, so you're not noticing it at the time. But there's a lot of people that have received information on certain things. Sometimes I also use sign language, just as people are doing with light language. Some people are drawing. I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm using sign language. And I've been using that in different light works that we've been doing where I live on the island in south of Sweden on 11/11/11, or actually not 11/11/11, 11/11. It was November 11th, 2019. I used signed cosmic language to open an energy device where we did this very sophisticated light work that we did. And I've been using signed cosmic language also out in nature to activate certain places. So that's also just want to inspire you that that's also what you can do. You can activate different places. So you can also sign cosmic language.